Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video. And for all of my returning viewers, thank you guys so much for the support. And for all of my new people, hey girl, hey, hit the subscribe button, like this video, and check out all of my other videos. So about a week ago, I ordered a vanity mirror for my little makeup table here, my little makeshift makeup table, and I'm really excited. The package has finally come. It came yesterday, and so I decided that I am going to do an unboxing video with you guys. If you want to see me unbox my new vanity mirror and get the specifics on where I ordered it from, how long it took to come in, and the pricing, me setting it up, and how it looks overall, please continue to watch this video. Okay, you guys, so here is the vanity mirror, and I'm super excited. It does need to be clean. My table needs to be dusted off, but this is the mirror. It is kind of small, which I'm not really upset about, but it's okay. It will do the trick for right now. I should probably get a bigger one, but let's turn her on. Oh my gosh, I have a vanity mirror. How freaking exciting is that? You guys, look at this. This is so nice. Okay, so let me back up so that you guys can see it. So here is the full view of the makeup table. My TV is above this, and that's why there's a cord hanging. But I love it. It is so freaking cute. How cute is that? Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna turn this around and we're gonna get into some specs. Okay, guys, so this mirror is called the FRANCHILIN Large Vanity Mirror with Lights, Hollywood lighted makeup mirror with dimmable LED bulbs for dressing room and bedroom, tabletop or wall mounted, slim metal frame design in the color black. And here she is. I'm definitely gonna have to put something under her because she is a little low for my liking, but that's okay. So I ordered her on August the 25th, and she was delivered to me on August the 30th, so it took about 5 days. I did order her through Amazon.com. She was $99.99 plus tax, I believe, so she came out to like $108.24. And her dimensions, let's go over her dimensions. She is 15.74 inches tall, and she is 19.68 inches wide. Okay, so that's her dimensions. If she works for you, then I definitely recommend her. What we're gonna do is change her lighting. She has 3 different lighting settings. Okay, and she's very well lit. I can say that I love her already. She is a little bit small, but like I said, that's okay for me, because I'm gonna eventually get a whole nother makeup table in the future. So this concludes the unboxing and the setup and all of the specs for this vanity mirror. So you guys, if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment your thoughts down below, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. You guys have a blessed one. See you in the next video. Bye.